Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys a video about how to set up a new account with Printify and how to connect it to your Etsy store. If you are new here, don't forget to comment and subscribe and smile for me. Here's Printify. As you can see, most of the print-on-demand sites that do drop shipping, they all are set up the same. It talks about how you can have higher products. There's the best selection. They show some of their products. This first page is always lots and lots of information. As we talked about in the intro, you can connect your store to different websites, Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Squarespace, and even do the Walmart option. Here it says there's trusted by over 4 million people in the world. And as you continue to scroll down, it just gives you a little bit more about Printify. You can start over here where it says create and sell custom products, and you can hit start for free, or you can go up here and hit sign up. I'm going to go ahead and use my email to sign up. I'll go ahead and put that in a password, and then we'll go to the next. Sign up by using my email. I have my email and my burden. I'm going to hit sign up. The first question is, what drives you best? I'm a social media influencer. I have my own e-commerce store. So I'm going to just go ahead and hit I have my own e-commerce store. And it says, what is your main objective? I'm going to say I want to grow my current business. Okay. And then it says, what brings you to Printify? This time, I'm just going to say I'm just exploring. And it says, how did you find out about us? Of course, me. The first things first, it says, thank you for your time. What would you like to do? They provide you with 3 options. You can go ahead and order a sample. You can connect your store to Printify, or you can design a custom product. Since one of the things that I am here to show you guys today is how to connect your store to Printify, we're going to do that first. So here is the new store, and we want to connect it. So I'm going to hit connect. And then we want to connect our Etsy. We'll go ahead and hit connect here, but I do want to go over some of the items that's here that it's showing. I have sold on eBay. I have not done the Walmart yet, but there's something that I think I will start to do possibly this year. That is an option, but I'm going to go ahead and connect my Etsy shop. I'm working on that connection through that email, and it just goes over that application would like to connect with this account, and you grant or refuse access depending on how you feel about the terms. It says success, you connected a Etsy store. Check out this article on how to start selling. Then it goes straight into kind of like showing you some of the products. As you guys know, I've talked a lot about all over print products, and that's one of the things that I want to explore today. Over here, we connected our store with Printify, and if you go over here, they have all of the information about your account, your payments, taxes, reward, your store settings, and more. Here, I would just put Crypt Cloud, and I'm okay with using my name because you guys are me create this store. All right. And if you want to put a phone number in right now, I'm going to do that. And then you can do address and information like that. I don't have any files uploaded yet. And then you can go ahead and do your payment setting. You can top it up with PayPal. You can add a card, and you can subscribe to Printify Premium. It's $29 a month. I will do my payment stuff later because I am going to order a sample. And then you can fill out all of the things that are concerning to like taxes and things. This is the US one if you are in the US, if you have any resale license or sales tax exempt. This is the one for Europe, Norway, UK, and then there's one for Canada. If you had any rewards, it would show up here. And then just a little bit more information about your store. We can go click on that right now with the settings. We can go ahead and type in our store name. I'm going to hit save, then that will show up right here. And now we are on to our store settings checklist. All right. So I went in out of order. I created the Printify account. I added my information and details. I made my store name, and I've connected my store. You remember when we first logged into Printify, it actually gave us an option what we wanted to do first. Now we're going to go ahead and design our first product. Like I told you guys, I'm more into getting into the all over print items. I'm going to scroll down to the section that says all over print, and I am going to go to see all of it. I want to order something that I know I'll wear, and I for sure know I'll wear the cloud socks, but I do want to look at some of the other products that they have. They have women's brief, which are super cute. I probably could wear that too. I don't think I've ever purchased any underwears from print on demand. So my goal is to order all of the prints and then products that I won't wear. We have a sports jersey. We have a basketball jersey, some casual shorts, men's jogger trunks. Now, if these aprons weren't so big, I would order one, but I know I wouldn't wear it. So I'm not going to waste my money. What do we have next? We have some sports bras, bathing suits, more shorts. They have full zip hoodies, skirts, more sweatshirts. They have baby beanies, sports bra, pajamas. What else do we have? I want to be honest with myself. What would I wear? I think I'm feeling this all over print dress because this is something that I've never ordered and I think I might do this. It is from the print provider WW On Demand. They have 8.6. They have sizes from extra small to 2L. There is a size chart here. For this one, I'll either order a large or extra large just because of the care instructions. And I'm hard-headed and I might wash it. I'll probably get extra large just to be on the safe side. I'm gonna go ahead and find my design. Let's see. It's some sunset clouds that I took over the weekend while I was out of town on a little trip. So I'm waiting for that to upload. And hopefully my image is big enough. I did not check to see what the size for this was. This is the size. I'm going to bring that out some so it can fit here. And then I want to keep that little star in there on the design. So I'm going to move that over. That is the front side. Then we have to add the design again for the back side. I'm going to spread that out. And I want to keep that little star in my design. However, I need to move that around to stay in there. I'll do that. Then we have a left sleeve. Also, the resolution is showing up here as I stretch and pull, just in case you guys are wondering what that number is doing. As long as it's in the green, you will pretty much get, ooh, I like that. You will pretty much get a good resolution of your design. Like that light part of this design where you can see the clouds a little bit better. I'm going to put that on both of the sleeves. And then we are going to go back to the front side, make sure we have all of the areas full. Where was the collar? I don't think I saw that. Maybe it wasn't there for me to see, but we're going to go ahead and hit preview so we can see what this dress will look like. And you can already see here. Yeah, how can I fill the collar? Was that on the side? Let's see. Background color. Should it be a dark blue? And let's see if that changes the inner collar. Yep, it changes the inner collar. Do we want that dark blue? I think that blue matches well. Let's go ahead and hit preview again and see what it looks like with that collar. Yep, I think that looks really good. Here is the back. And here is with the sleeves, you can see a little bit better. That's really cute. That looks really good. I'm going to hit edit. I am going to check to make sure that all the sizes are checked, because this is all the sizes I do want to sell. The dark blue collar part, and I'm going to hit save product. And we have the mock-up for all of this here. And then I'm going to name this Texas Sunset Cloud all over print shirt dress. We're going to select all. The retail price, the cost to this is $26. Do not want my retail price to be that high. $26, let's make it about, give me a $35 dress. So I set my price. And I really didn't go up on the sizes. I'm going to keep that. It says show all variants as available for products to purchase. Only show in stock variants. That's probably something that we want to do. We're going to create a new shipping profile for this. And we're going to publish it, and it's going to publish to our Etsy store. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. That will be our first item in Printify. Also, this is a order routing thing. If any issues come out with stocks, they can enable like an order routing system where they'll find the best match to another print and route your product there. I will put this on manual so I can be in charge of if I want to do it for real or not. But yeah, you can provide all of those preferences to your situation and your standards, and that's how that works. I'm going to go ahead to my products again, and then I can go ahead and go up here, or if you guys are impatient and want to see it here on Etsy, I'm going to go ahead and refresh that page. I'm going to go to the store, and then I'm going to hit listings. And then the Texas Sunset shirt is there. Normally what I do is I go in here and I check it out just a little bit, depending on what you want to show, dress or not. And then one thing I do want to get into is possibly when my products come, if they look good on me, I want to record some video photos and then photos of myself wearing the item, just so I can give it more of a real feel. And I want to show you that you can use what you have to start this and you don't have to have like professional stuff, because there's a lot of people who take pictures at home of their products. We have our t-shirt dress up here for sale as well. Thank you guys for the ones who have checked out the store so far. It says it has 11 views. I don't know if that's from you guys or just in general from like checking out the store. Hopefully I'll have something on the store that you guys will absolutely enjoy or want to, but if it was you, thanks. I am going to put the link to the store in my YouTube video as well. Let's go back to Printify. I'm going to hit get samples. This is what I want to purchase a sample of. And I told you guys I'm going to get an extra large. I'm going to go ahead and hit select extra large. And the price for that is $26.94. And then so I'll put all of my shipping information in, and standard shipping is $7.23. The total price is $36.32. And then I'll go ahead and put in my information, and then I'll check out. I have made the books for my order. When it gets here, I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. That was the video for today. It says, well done. Your store is set up and ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me setting up a Printify account, ordering my sample, and connecting my new Printify store to my Etsy shop. And until next time, peace.